Welcome back to the channel. If you're planning a trip to Singapore or just moved here, you're going to love Singapore's Mass Rapid Transit System, or MRT for short. It's clean, efficient, affordable, and honestly, one of the best ways to get around the city. Today, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to navigate like a local. Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is the MRT? Singapore's MRT is a rapid transit system that connects almost every corner of this island nation. With over 130 stations across 6 main lines, it's your ticket to exploring everything from Orchard Road to Marina Bay, Chinatown to Little India, and even out to the airport. The system is color-coded with lines like the North-South line in red, East-West line in green, Circle line in yellow, and newer additions like the Downtown line in blue. Each line has its own character and connects different neighborhoods and attractions. Now, before you can ride, you need to get a card. You have several options. Option 1, EZ-Link card. This is the classic choice. You can buy one at any MRT station from the general ticketing machines or customer service centers. It costs $12. That's $7 for the card value and $5 as a non-refundable card fee. Option 2, Nets FlashPay. Works the same way as EZ-Link and is accepted on all public transport. Option 3, Singapore Tourist Pass. Perfect for visitors. It gives you unlimited rides for 1, 2, or 3 days. The one-day pass costs $20, 2-day is $26, and 3-day is $30. Plus, you get a $10 deposit back when you return it. Option 4, your phone. If you have an iPhone or Android with NFC, you can use Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. Just tap and go. Here's how the system works. Each station has a unique code. For example, Raffles Place is NS26/EW14, meaning it's a station 26 on the North-South line and station 14 on the East-West line. These codes are super helpful when asking for directions. The key stations you'll want to remember are the interchange stations where multiple lines meet. Places like City Hall, Raffles Place, Dhoby Ghaut, and Jurong East are major hubs that can get you anywhere in the city. Peak hours are typically 7 to 9 a.m. and 6 to 8 p.m. on weekdays, so expect crowds during these times. But don't worry, trains run every 2 to 3 minutes during peak hours and every 5 to 7 minutes during off-peak times. All right, let's walk through your first MRT journey step by step. Step 1, enter the station and look for the system map. Identify your destination and which line or lines you'll need to take. Step 2, head to the gantry. These are the barriers with card readers. Tap your card or phone on the reader and walk through when the gates open. Step 3, follow the signs to your platform. The signs are in English and clearly marked with the line color and direction. Step 4, check the electronic boards for train arrival times and make sure you're on the correct platform. Trains going in opposite directions use different platforms. Step 5, when the train arrives, let passengers exit first, then board. Move to the center of the car and hold on to the handrails or grab poles. Step 6, listen for station announcements in English, Mandarin, Malay, and Tamil. The next station is always announced clearly. Step 7, when you reach your destination, exit the train and follow signs to the exit you need. Step 8, tap your card again at the gantry to exit. This is important as fares are calculated based on distance traveled. Singapore takes MRT etiquette seriously, and following these rules will help you blend in like a local. Stand on the left side of escalators, walk on the right, give up priority seats to elderly, pregnant women, and people with disabilities. Keep your voice down when talking on the phone. No eating or drinking except plain water. Keep your backpack in front of you during peak hours. Let passengers exit before boarding. Move to the center of the train car. No smoking anywhere in the system. Breaking these rules can result in fines, so it's worth being mindful. Here are my top tips to make your MRT experience even smoother. Download the mytransport.sg app. It shows real-time train arrivals, disruptions, and helps you plan your route. Google Maps works great too. Just input your destination and select public transport. It'll show you the best route, including walking directions. Pro tip, download an offline MRT map to your phone in case you lose internet connection underground. Timing tip: if you're traveling during peak hours, consider taking a slightly longer route that avoids the busiest interchanges. Money-saving tip: off-peak hours before 7 a.m. and after 9 a.m. have slightly cheaper fares. The beauty of Singapore's transport system is how well everything connects. Your Easy Link card works on buses too, and many MRT stations have direct connections to bus interchanges, shopping malls, and even the airport. Changi Airport is directly connected via the East-West line. Just take the train to Tanah Merah.
Then transfer to the airport shuttle. It's way cheaper than a taxi and just as convenient. Many stations also connect directly to major shopping areas like Orchard Road, Marina Bay Sands, and Clark Quay, so you can shop and dine without stepping outside. And there you have it, everything you need to know to master Singapore's MRT system. It really is one of the most user-friendly metro systems in the world, and once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever traveled any other way. The MRT opens up all of Singapore to you, from the bustling streets of Chinatown to the futuristic gardens by the bay, from local hawker centers to world-class shopping. It's clean, safe, efficient, and incredibly affordable. Did this guide help you out? Give it a thumbs up if it did, and don't forget to subscribe for more Singapore travel tips and guides. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about using the MRT. I will read every single one and love helping fellow travelers. Until next time, happy exploring.